Before he was Oklahoma's favorite son, Will Rogers was a Cherokee cowboy from Indian Territory trying to make a name in entertainment. After years spent in Wild West-style traveling shows, Rogers successfully honed his trick roping act with a heap of grounded humor and folk wisdom for the rowdy vaudeville stage. When he made his Broadway debut in the musical comedy The Wall Street Girl on April 15, 1912, Rogers was billed as Lariat Bill, expert with the rope. But that night, he's said to have played a role that even he could not imagine. Betty Blake Rogers, his wife, would later recall that the show's debut performance was interrupted when word spread of the sinking of the Titanic and the hundreds of lives lost in the frigid Atlantic. Lariat Bill, she remembered, somberly delivered the news to the audience. The Wall Street Girl was short-lived, but Rogers would soon move on to major stage stardom in the Ziegfeld Follies and then in Hollywood motion pictures. No matter how far Rogers' wit and talent took him, his persona as Oklahoma's Cherokee cowboy and an ambassador for goodwill remained. That legacy is celebrated today at the Will Rogers Memorial Museums in Rogers County.